I teach a very simple system to help you start to have your systems running in the background. Your sales can go on autopilot and you can make impact while you go do what it is that you want to do throughout the day. Your business should not be running you at the end of the day. You should be running the business. Hey guys, it's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First. I've helped hundreds of creative entrepreneurs and business owners to take back their free time, generate additional revenue, and celebrate while living that work from anywhere lifestyle through creating online courses and digital education. So I'm super excited that you guys are here. Say it with me. Done is better than perfect. Master one thing at a time. Practice makes better. And this has to work. Right? Let's get it. It's Dr. Sonia here with Jump First, and I'm going to say awesome course creators because we are getting these courses done this year. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop. We talk all things premium courses, luxury mentorship, and coaching brands and how to build those out, as well as entrepreneurial advice and just life stuff, okay? That's going to keep us and get us moving, all right? So if your business is currently running you, then this episode is for you, okay? My name is Dr. Sonia, and I help high performers to get their courses, get their messages out into the world. This is going to free up your time, okay? And it's also going to provide you more sustainable and consistent income in your business, all right? So super important. Let's get to it today. I remember when I got started, I was always working, okay? My business was running me, and I'm going to keep it real with y'all. I'm going to say this in some tough love. If your business is currently running you, meaning you don't feel like you have the free time that you desire, you're not able to get up and go and move how you want to move, okay, what did you start the business for in the first place? All right. In my opinion, when that is happening, and this is my opinion, okay, because I lived it, then you're not running a business, okay? The business is actually running you. It's not a business. We need systems on the back end that are going to help sustain our efforts going forward. So if you're constantly working, here's the thing. You can constantly work. You can work more, put more time in, make more money. But like, what is the fun in that? Like, what's the whole reason you started the business? What's the fun in that if you can't enjoy the free time, if you can't enjoy the fruits of your labor? And so courses specifically will help you free up more time, okay? They're the fastest and easiest way. And I always say this as a shameless plug, but I can only talk about things that I have lived. And so let me put this into perspective really quickly. When I first got started, I was working nonstop to the point where my nieces and my nephew, they would come to the house and they would say, "You're always working," okay? And they're little at this time. They're like 5, 6, right? And so they're like, "You're always working, Auntie. When is it that you don't work?" They wanted time. They wanted to play. They wanted to do fun stuff, right? I've always been the fun auntie, and so they wanted those things. And at the time, I was so bogged down, and I have pictures that I screenshotted from client calls of myself, right? Client calls, me just generally working and documenting my processes, and I was stressed out. I share a lot of this inside of the live workshop that I teach on Thursdays. If you are not registered, you can go to jumpfirstacademy.org/VIP to jump into the live training. I'm teaching again next Thursday. And so there are screenshots of me literally stressed out, okay, trying to figure out how to operate the business, how to run the business. And then I came upon like these systems, okay, these funnels that work in the background. Now, the way that I teach courses, I understand that funnels can be a little bit complicated, especially when you're first getting started. They are, okay, complicated to understand. And so I teach a very simple system to help you start to have your systems running in the background. Your sales can go on autopilot and you can make impact while you go do what it is that you want to do throughout the day. Your business should not be running you at the end of the day. You should be running the business. And what that requires are the systems in the background that will run, okay, invisibly. They don't have to be front and center. And this is why I always say you need to grab a mentor, grab a coach, and jump inside of the program, because a lot of times people try to replicate what they see happening on the outside, but there are invisible systems, these things that are happening behind the scenes that you cannot see, that are actually pushing the business forward. And so these are the things that you only find out. I had to grab a mentor to figure this out, okay, because I saw what he he was doing, I saw the results he was getting, but I couldn't see inside of his business. And so having to just go ahead and, as they say, bite the bullet, if you will, and just, pay. I invested in myself so that I could see, okay, how do I set this up in my own business so that I can stop being so stressed out, so I can stop running all over the place, so I can stop, trying to figure out, well, what's this part, what's that part, and piecing things together, which a lot of folks are doing. And I understand it as a high performer. I totally get it. We can figure stuff out, okay? We can get to the nitty gritty, but it takes more time. And why spend the additional time being frustrated, being burnt out, running all around the internet, okay, streets, trying to figure out how to make this work for your business? You need a sustainable system that works for you. Not only do different systems work for different people, okay, and this is why I get so I just kind of pass by some of those ads that we've been seeing about webinars are dead, or this method is dead, and this strategy is dead. No strategy is dead. It works for somebody, okay? Every strategy works for somebody. But again, you have to know how to implement and execute and put it inside of your business. And again, in my opinion, courses have been the easiest and fastest way for me to make sales on autopilot and also make impact on autopilot. And when I say autopilot, I mean without me needing to be present, okay? Again, it's because there are these invisible systems that are running in the background of my business. This is what helps you start to scale up. I only found this out, I'm telling you right now, by investing in a mentor myself so that I could get to the next level, okay? So if that is you and you are someone who is running a business, but you feel like, I want more free time this year, I don't want to have to keep working in order to make more money. What's going on, Goofy Goober? I feel like I've seen you here before. I appreciate you coming back. Hello. By the way, if you're new here and you haven't already hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button, like button, bell notification so you know when more episodes like this drop. If not, just hit the like button, okay? It helps expand the reach of this message for somebody who is looking to free up more time in their business this year. This is very important to me. This topic is near and dear to my heart because courses have changed my entire life. And once you understand the system, once you understand how to create courses, how to create the systems on the back end, those invisible systems and funnels on the back end, it's so easy to do and just to replicate over and over and over again. Again, I have so many clients who are like, I spent so much time watching you and trying to figure out what it is that you were doing. And then when I finally invested in your program, it was like that. My clients get results typically within the first week. Their first 21 days, they're making the return on investment and some, okay? So that is on average what my clients are doing. 21 to 30 days, they're doing somewhere between 5 and 10K. All right, thank you, Goofy Goober. I appreciate the new sub. Thank you. And the like. Thank you so much. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. That is all I need to bring. Stop running around in your business trying to piece things together from all over the place, and just use systems. Use the systems that are necessary for you, the systems that work for you, so that you can free up more of your time and go do stuff, okay? I can't tell you how many times, and I should listen to my friends and my VAs when they tell me, document more of your life stuff. I actually do document it, but I never post it. And so it's just they're like, it's so interesting because, I'm out for lunch or out for breakfast with friends and family. I went with my sister last week. She popped up, I'm like, you want to go to lunch? She's like, yeah, let's do it. Right. I have another friend today. I'm heading out to breakfast. Right. And I remember working my 9 to 5. I would be in a meeting at this time, in that morning huddle, that morning meeting. You didn't start your business to run it like your traditional 9 to 5, like you were to run it how you were burnt out in corporate. You started a business. Yes, you wanted to make more money, but you shouldn't have to be present to be making the money that you want to make in your business, nor the impact. Making more money allows you to reach more people without you needing to be present. So I always tell people, you got to make money to stay in business, yes, but you also have to make more money to make more impact. So you can reach people without needing to be present. That requires systems, okay? It's not just about setting up a course. And this is why I tell people all the time, this is why I go hard for premium courses and not just standalone courses, because it's not just about setting up a standalone course. It's number one, it's inefficient for you as the business owner, okay, to just set up a standalone course. Why not build out a system around that you can help people go through a program. Number two, it's inefficient for the people that are coming into your courses because like we got to make sure that they have sustainable results, not just like these one-off, I'm just giving you a bunch of information that you can go pay for, that you can go get for free on YouTube, okay? YouTube Academy, Google Academy, okay? Facebook Academy, Instagram Academy, whatever institute, okay, or academy you are gathering information from, the information is there. It's the execution and implementation piece. It's how do you put it all together so that it effectively and smoothly flows for you. That's why you need a mentor. That's why you need a coach. And in my humble opinion, that's why you need a course, okay? JumpFirstAcademy.org is where you want to go to get started. There's a free training over there. It's 30 minutes to go through it, less than 30 minutes to go through it. There are free resources available to you as well as paid resources. It's totally up to you. If you decide to jump into the paid resources, you choose your path, okay? I'm encouraging you, get these courses out there, all right? They are the most effective way for you to achieve what it is that you're looking to achieve. And most of the people that I attract to this community, you want more money, you want more free time. Let's be real. And you want to make more impact, okay? You're a high performer. And so all those things, easiest and fastest way, like I said, my clients are doing it within 21 to 30 days. Go check out their results, JumpFirstAcademy.org. All right. I will forever go hard for premium courses. They have changed my life and changed the lives of the people that I work with. So I love you all guys so much. I'm talking to whoever is listening today. What's up, Token Bra? I appreciate you for being here. I know you want some attention. Y'all, here's the other thing. Let me throw this in real quick. The only people who stop worrying about what people think about you. Okay. You have to show up for you. Period. You have to show up for you. If it's one person that you can reach with your message and it transforms their lives, then you have effectively been walking in your purpose. You have done what it is that you are supposed to be doing. Okay. So I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. I'm going to keep showing up and I hope that you do too. Again, JumpFirstAcademy.org in order to get started. I will see y'all back here tomorrow. Sending you much love. Keep believing in you because I believe in you. Have a happy Friday. Bye y'all.